What's up? Let's get ready for work. Yay! I am actually so excited to go to work today because I'm gonna be working at an event where my parents are gonna be guests. So I'm gonna be chilling with my parents the whole time. Actually, I'm a bit scared that I'm gonna be yelled at because I'm gonna be talking to my parents while I work. So anyways, it is 3 p.m. and this is my first time working late. It's not that late, but it's my first time not waking up at 5 a.m. to go to work. And I'm a tiny bit stupid because I keep washing my clothes way too late. And now my pants are still wet and it is cold outside. It is summer, but it's so cold outside in Berlin right now. I'm gonna be freezing. Had to do my eyeliner off screen because I cannot do it here. I don't know what it is, but with this setup, I cannot do my eyeliner. Good news, I finally figured out how to do a real slick back. I need to do it for work. I don't do it because I like it. I need to do it for work, so I've never learned how to do it or how to do it properly. And my hair is not made for that. Like my hair, do you see all of this? I like my hair messy, but if I need to put it up and like it needs to look clean, it just doesn't. It just doesn't. I'm also so excited for work because I saw that one of the people I like is gonna be working with me. I've been working this job for like a month now, so I don't know a lot of people, but I've befriended some people. Oh, ow. Actually, if you would ask them, I don't know if they would say that I've befriended them or that we're friends, but from my perspective, they are my friends. I'm excited to work with him because he's cool and it's very interesting to talk to him, so that is always good. I love making these videos. I don't know if you love to watch them, I don't know, but it is so fun to make these videos. So please tell me that you like watching them, please. I'm gonna keep making them though because it is good practice of like talking to the camera. Also, this mascara, the most known mascara there is, but it is so good. Sky High from Maybelline. I feel like you've seen it all over TikTok. Look at my lashes. This mascara is so good. It is so good. Also, my beloved bronzer is making me break out. I found the reason for all of these little textured... Like, I never have problems around my chin area. Never. It's always on my cheeks, like here. But since I've been using this, I'm breaking out all around here. And I could have connected this a bit earlier, like I could have thought about that a bit earlier, but I didn't want to stop using this because I love this product, but not anymore. If you have any acne safe bronzer recommendations, please give them to me because I love bronzer, but not like this. Okay, you can't even see it, but I'm breaking out all around my face. I'm gonna attempt a good slick back now and I'm gonna show you the results. Okay, be honest. I did good on the slick back. Look at this. Good. And this is the outfit. Yes. All black slay. Woo! Thanks for listening to me talk. I love you so much. Bye.